'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the dealership, not a creature was stirring, not even this all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab Texas Edition.
Hey, that's not how it goes.
No, and I'm not the real Santa, but I'll tell you what is real. The deal's at 4 stars this holiday season.
What's 4 stars?
I'm glad you asked. Yes, the holidays are here again, and there's no better time to get you and your loved one in a new car or truck. But don't take my word for it. Just visit any 4 Stars location and see for yourself. The dedicated employees here make the best team ever since Bing Crosby tap danced with Danny Kaye.
The truck that you picked out, I think we're looking, at a payment that you could probably...
Santa's not the only one making deliveries this year. Shop online and we'll deliver right to your front door, so you can stay at home and watch your favorite holiday movie. Mine's Die Hard 1. We need a bigger tree, Carlos. Going on a long road trip to see those annoying relatives? We've got the best service department around to get you ready for the road. Carlos, you know what to do. So come on down to 4 Stars. Let's get together, have a few laughs, and let us make your car buying experience as magical as Christmas.
How is this going to help us sell cars?
Classic Gene. And then I said, classic Gene.
I don't get it.
Carlos, naughty list.